Hello, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-Ins. Today, I'd like to read to you some notes that came through the other day, and we'd like to share with you some information on soul fragments. Because of the nature of this distorted matrix and hologram, this earth construct, as we have known it since our birth and many other lifetimes, souls in experiencing traumatic and heartfelt emotional and physical life lessons have tended to fragment parts or aspects of themselves or on timelines that have become frozen in time and space. The recovery of these fragments is necessary if one is on the path of initiation and ascension. Think back to those times when you gave away your boundaries and psychic space, those situations where you felt helpless and alone, those events where you did not understand or comprehend the spiritual meaning of those lessons, and or those life dramas and traumas that put you in an energy state of contraction and limitation. The inner child becomes trapped in a frozen and unmovable state. So how does one free the inner child from its self-imposed boundaries or prison? We have to dig deep to find the solution to freeing the frozen child. Maybe a blowtorch will do, or a high-grade heater. That's from the comedy team. If you look at the aura, you will find these frozen pockets of energy now being called to be free of its imprisonment. The dream state can be indicative of such frozen parts. All is being called back into oneness, into self-unity, back into the flow of life. So let's take a moment and just tune in to perhaps one aspect of your frozen child. It could be from the birthing experience, early childhood, your first marriage, your first divorce, your first love affair that went south, loss of a loved one, anything that we would consider rather dramatic. Just feel into that for a moment. Let's bring in the power of joy and love and acceptance so that that part of you can come up into present time and be healed once and for all. Just embrace that part of you emotionally, physically, mentally, into the oneness, into the light, into that place of joy and caring and loving support and acceptance. And allow this aspect of you, this fragment of you, to come back into your core during the rest of the day and into the rest of this week. So have a wonderful experience, and thank you again for tuning in. And for more information, just go to the website, kenjikumara.com, and check out our new programs, our events, our products, and see what resonates for you, and then go for it. Many blessings. Have a great week.